All right, y'all, protective styles is protective styling in a major way. Okay, I'm loving this Burmese curly here. It's looking like it's coming straight out of my scalp, but no, it's a personality protective glueless unit. And this one is by Nadula Hair. And I'm really loving Nadula Hair's Burmese curly textures. And this is the packaging it came in. Of course, it also had some accessories that I'm gonna need, like an HD wig cap, a lace melting band, and a wig sleeve to, keep my wig nice in. So when it comes to curly units, especially Nadulas, I feel like there's always, a surprise when it comes to their curly units. And this is the Burmese curly coily ends unit. And I think this is a great addition to their curly units because it does wash and air dry a little bit different than the other ones that I have experienced in the past. So I know with curly units, it's not going to exactly look like this the more and more we wear it. So it's always like a really nice surprise when you wash it, condition it, apply some leave-in conditioner and a hydrating foam. It air dries like this. And I like it. It's like a surprise. Like you never would have thought that the before how it came would look like this. So I wanted to show you guys exactly how this would look once you wash and condition it and let it air dry. This Burmese curly texture is absolutely gorgeous and it is 20 inches and the ends are beautiful. And you can re-finger coil the ends like I did right there. It's so natural and beautiful looking. I love how natural this looks because, curly hair doesn't have necessarily a uniform look to it. So it air dried beautifully. I didn't have any problems with shedding. And I do love that it is a ventilated cap. So that's great for the upcoming, spring and summer months. And I love that it's a pre-plucked hairline. And I love that it is pre-cut lace also. The knots are pretty cool on this one as well. And I do have tons of parting space with this 7x5. So the knots are done really well. And I believe it is like a pre-bleach lace too because it appears a little tinted, and I feel like the quality of this lace is really good. It's nice and transparent because on my darker beautiful skin sometimes lace flashback can be a thing. So I love that this lace is pre-cut. So all I have to do is just put it on and go because sometimes I just don't want to do all the fuss when it comes to lace wigs, and this just makes it easy to do. So it's a 7x5 closure, and it does have this non-slip technology within this wig. So it's a lot of like silicone strips, and I do have an elastic adjustable band here to make sure it stays nice and secure. And it does have one comb at the nape with also these silicone strips at the very nape too with the drawstring. So I like this. Like there's all kinds of way to make sure that I stay safe in this protective style and that nothing feels uncomfortable too because I love this drawstring. All right, and so let's see what this is gonna give. I'm really excited. And you know what? I wasn't mad at it. You know what I mean? I wasn't mad, and especially being that I have this drawstring, these always save the wig day for me because it's a lot safer to use. And I really love how natural this hairline looks and that it's like easy peasy. Like all I had to do was put it on and literally go because it has the pre-cut lace, the pre-plucked hairline, and I love that the knots are nice and small. And I'm able to pull out a little bit of hair near my sideburns if I wanted to. So what I like to do with my curly units when I wear them center part, I like to wear the hairline exposed with no baby hair. And I really like how this hairline looks. It's super natural. So I just put some hairspray on, use an edge control brush and brush it back just to give it a nice little smoother appearance because I kind of like to style the front of my center part curly units a certain kind of way. And the shine on this unit is absolutely gorgeous, okay? So I put on some Sebastian Shaper Plus spray to help me get that look with the hot comb like I'm doing right now. So I'm very, satisfied with how this lace is looking. It looks really natural, and the knots are looking pretty good too. So I'm confident that I can go 100% glueless with this, and that is like the complete goal when it comes to my current hair care recovery is going glueless with these wigs. It is really working, y'all. Like my hair is really coming back. I'm so excited. So I have an update coming up soon, y'all. Okay, so for the hairline, I am gonna put a little bit of bronzer on. Well, not a little bit. I kind of go a little generous with the bronzer because it will match my makeup. It also helps with the wig looking a bit more natural because I like to take a little bit of the shine away too. So I put some in my parting too. So I am gonna just flatten out the top just a little bit with some hairspray, brush it with a hard brush, and I'm just fixing little areas that I want fixed. Because when I wear my hair in the center part curly units, and I also use elastic band just to apply some extra pressure with no glue, it just helps it blend a little bit more to my skin. Um, but the curls look absolutely gorgeous. They're so juicy. But I like a little height at the very front of my hair. And I want a little more shape at the very front to, frame my face a little bit more. So this hair is really soft too, y'all. And I love how the curly ends turned out. The coil ends are absolutely gorgeous. It looks so natural because normally when I do my air dry my units, the ends tend to be a bit frizzy, and with this I did not get that. So even as I'm fluffing it, the ends are still cooperating. It's still giving very much so coiled, tamed, and it looks really, really natural too. I love how this fluffs out, and the curls still remain really, really defined too. So I will say this is some really good quality hair for sure from what I'm seeing. And I do have this unit in chestnut ombre, but I think I like the black one too, y'all. So check out the other video and let me know which one you prefer or which one you like. So like I was saying, I like a little more height in the very front. So I use a hot comb and bend it forward. Just see, don't burn yourself to get that look. So just be careful when you do this because you don't want to burn yourself. So this looks absolutely amazing, very natural, very realistic, and this is 20 inches, and I love the non-slip technology. This is really changing the game. It's secure, it's not moving, so you don't have to be afraid, of anything happening. So everything is very secure with all the security. I'm able to go glueless with this, and the lace looks really good on my darker, beautiful skin. But sometimes that is an issue with lace flashback, and that's like, ugh, that's a bummer. Like, that can ruin everything. So I do love that it has nice parting space, and the scalp looks extremely natural with its, I believe it's pre-bleached knots too. So it's really fluffy at 150 density, I believe, and this is 20 inches. I'm 4'11", so this is the perfect natural length for me. I really don't like really long hair, so this is doable, especially being that spring and summer is coming up. This will be a comfortable wig to wear, especially for vacation and things. And I'm loving the hairline. Everything fits and feels really comfortable and safe on. That's most important. So you guys, if you do have any questions, feel free to ask me, and all information about this Nadula Burmese curly wig will be down in the description below for you to check out. And as always, I'll see you next time.